Hey guys, how's it going? So today I am going to be doing a soft pink look, and to just kind of cut down on time and everything, I already did my base. So actually for this entire look I'll be using the James Charles Morphe palette. To start it off, I'll be taking this shade right here. It's kind of like a cool brown. It's called Tea, and I'll just be applying that kind of in the outer part of my eyes. I don't want it to be all over my lid, I just want it to be over the crease. So why I'm doing this in a very messy way is because first I want to let the color be on my lids, and then I'll be blending it with kind of like a clean brush. So I'm just taking like a clean brush to blend all of that. Next, I'll be taking this like bubblegum pink shade and just packing it all over the lid. I'm actually going to take the shade Skip and pack it all over the lid because that pink shade wasn't applying so well because I didn't apply the right kind of primer for my eyelids. So just move the upper lash line. And I'll be taking that same pink shade and applying it at the lower lash line. Next, I'll be going in with a liquid liner just in the outer part of my eye. Just want to connect it. So next, I'll be taking blush and just kind of like draping. I'm really trying to bring that pink out. So now it's time for lips, and I'm going to be starting off with this lip liner by MAC. It's called Spice. And to get the perfect lip, you have to make sure that your lip liner is sharp. So go ahead and sharpen it before you do this. It's actually better if you don't overline, or do it very slightly. And now I'll be taking the shade Velvet Teddy by MAC as well. With lipsticks, I always try to cover the lip liner, just go over it, because I don't want them to be two separate things. And the last thing to finish off this look is some lip gloss. This is by Fenty Beauty. It is literally the best lip gloss ever out there. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like this video. It's really easy to achieve, and I literally achieved it within probably less than 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. It's really simple and it's kind of like an everyday kind of look. But yeah, hope to see you in another video. Thank you and bye.